Today, we will work on the king of coins for the day, the best top gainer coin. We will again use the best scalping strategy with the best trading view indicator, as you just like. And of course, we will do the top-down analysis as always with market structure and bias. If you are good to go, let's start now. Let's take a look at the number one top gainer of the day, the destroyer of the charts. The Mete RIF coin gained like 30% movement. Nowadays, these coins keep getting crazy, I have to say this. Let's start with the weekly chart. From the weekly, you could have noticed this tiny imbalance fail, which is early signs of possible price switching. And the price was already heading towards this gigantic imbalance area to balance itself. Remember, for healthy markets, price will always seek to balance itself. The problem is that rebalancing can take weeks or even years. No one can time these fixes and balances. From the daily chart, you can have more insights about the price action. The failure of this gigantic imbalance and the upwards imbalance above are giving us the overall bias of the asset. More importantly, what do you see here? Yes, a masterclass daily level price switch, and price gaining the power with the momentum imbalance. Now, we are all convinced this asset has the great power of buyers, and sellers are really weak. Now, the most critical part, the momentum. The very early price switch happened way below, as you can see. But probably every one of us missed this very early moment here. This was very hard to catch, I will admit that. So, what I focus on is the upper part. These 30-minute and 1 hour imbalances. See how the price fully fills these imbalances right here. And the 2-hour momentum confirms the buyer power for me here. Now, we will closely observe the area inside this 30-minute imbalance. Let's do it. What really happened inside these 30-minute and 1 hour imbalances? This yellow point represents when the asset fully fills the imbalances. Notice the prior structure box here and this amazing support and resistance flip area point. 100% the same setup I have shown you in the Masterclass program. What else did we have here? Our very old companion of optimal trade entry area as well. And notice what happens here exact this price level. How the imbalance fails and micro price switching. Here is your 4% move from the market, a classic rally strategy which is combined with structured box and older smart money concepts. Let's have the recap here. Price comes down to our structure box, the exact moment of the support and resistance flip point. But this point is not an ordinary point. It is the point of where the asset fully fills the 30-minute and 1 hour imbalances from the momentum layout. This is how we combine high and low time frames at the same time. Then inside this optimal trade entry area, a price switch happens with a failed imbalance and the momentum imbalance. This was your trade. However, remember, you shall not be greedy. Never and ever. This coin may crash 20% 5 minutes later, who knows? Secure your profit with 2-3% move. Keep repeating the same action, in and out, in and out. I hope that this lesson was useful to you. See you next time, friends. Have a great new week.